Welcome to our channel, dedicated to unraveling the profound wisdom of Ayurveda. This ancient science is not just about healing, it's a philosophy that harmonizes the mind, body, and spirit for holistic well-being. Introduction. Ayurveda, often referred to as the science of life, is a profound and timeless system deeply rooted in the rhythms of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. Core principles through visuals. At the heart of Ayurveda lies the principle of balance. It acknowledges the unique blend of Vata, Pitta, and Kapha within us, guiding us towards optimal health and vitality when these forces are in harmony. Historical roots. This wisdom has traversed millennia, originating thousands of years ago from the profound insights of sages. Its relevance endures through time, enriching lives then and now. Practical application. Embracing Ayurveda involves integrating simple yet powerful practices into our daily lives. From mindful consumption to nurturing self-care rituals, each step moves us closer to a harmonious existence. Benefits illustrated. Through Ayurveda, we invite not just physical well-being, but also mental serenity and a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. Encouragement to explore further. This introduction is just a glimpse into Ayurveda's vastness. Delve deeper into this holistic science and unveil its profound impact on your well-being and way of life. Closing words. Thank you for joining us on this enriching voyage into Ayurveda. Remember, even the smallest steps towards balance can pave the way for remarkable transformations in your overall well-being. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.